Hello, and welcome to RX Valet. RX Valet is the most complete pharmacy savings program available in the U.S. Whether you're prescribed an acute, chronic, or specialty medication, you can quickly and easily find a host of cost support options to fit your pharmacy needs. Let's start with our retail pharmacy. If you need your medications right away, it's as simple as going to our website or app, searching your prescribed medication, and choosing the retail option that works best for your needs. You can choose to pay online before going to the pharmacy, or we'll provide you a savings voucher that can be used at virtually any retail drugstore in the U.S. We also provide a home delivery service. You know how easy and convenient it is to get your prescription filled at a retail pharmacy, but in most cases, mail order will be your most cost-effective option. Don't worry just because it's mail order. Our team can track down your prescription either from your pharmacy or your physician and then make sure your medication arrives at your front door with no standard shipping charges. And we offer 500 formulations of 90-day fills for under $15. Now that we've covered the basics, let's jump into name brand medications. Name brand medications can be expensive to say the least. Not a problem with RX Valet. We have several cost support options that may help you. First is our Prescription Assistance Program, or PAP. This income-based program offers drugs at a much lower cost to members who may not otherwise be able to afford their medications. We do charge a small fee for our service. Fortunately, if you qualify, you could save 90% off the cost of the drug. Pre-approval is free and takes less than 5 minutes. Just simply call or go online. But what if you're on an expensive medication and over the income level? We work with over 20 reputable and licensed pharmacy affiliates around the globe to acquire the lowest possible price. Plus, just like the home delivery process, we handle everything. Our team will work with you to track your prescriptions and closely manage every step until the medication is delivered safely to your front door. This option can save up to 70% off the typical retail cost. Diabetes is a number of diseases that involve problems with the hormone insulin. There is no cure for this, and people with diabetes need to manage their chronic long-term condition to stay healthy. For many of them, insulin is not an option. Our insulin and diabetic programs contain the best values anywhere in the U.S. Insulin is shipped to your home in specialized packaging for 50% or more off the typical retail cost. The same goes for our diabetic supplies. We offer test strips, sensors, prep pads, lancets, and syringes at exclusively competitive pricing. For example, our diabetic supply packages start at just $25 per quarter. That's only $8.33 per month for one-time-a-day testing. Now that we've discussed who we are and what we do, how does RX Valet really work? RX Valet works as simple as search, select, and save. But there are a few things you should know before we help you save on your prescription medications, such as setting up your online medicine cabinet. Sign in is simple. Go to www.myrxvalet.com and mouse over login/register in the upper right hand corner and click on Register Now. You will be prompted to enter your member and group ID from your benefit card. Now that you're in your online medicine cabinet, complete your account registration by filling out the information as completely as possible. If you have any issues, you can chat online with one of our live customer care specialists and they'll be happy to assist you. One of the most common questions we hear is, what is the difference between an acute medication and chronic medication? Acute medications are medications taken infrequently. For those on our acute medication program, you have access to 37 of the most prescribed acute medications free of charge. If your drug is on the formulary, all you need to do is present your savings voucher at your local pharmacy along with your prescription and pay nothing. Chronic medications are medications taken on a regular basis. Our chronic medications program covers 200 of the most prescribed medications for illnesses such as diabetes, high blood pressure, mental health, men and women's health, pain management, and much more. All medications on this formulary cost only $1 per fill. You may pick up the first fill at your retail drugstore, after which you'll need to order through our mail order service to maintain the same price for only $1. Don't worry, standard shipping is free. Our team will also keep track of your prescription, remind you of any refills, and let you know when your medication is on the way. So why wait to activate? Trust us from experience. It's better to set up your account now rather than trying to do it when you're not feeling well. Whether you take an acute or a chronic drug, or if you have a need for a specialty medication, with RX Valet, you get unparalleled pharmacy savings and an easy-to-use online medicine cabinet and live customer care when you need it. Visit myrxvalet.com and enroll today. Call 855-798-2538. That's 855-RX-VALET. Or visit us online at www.myrxvalet.com. Remember, for RX savings and RX value, it's RX Valet.